morning, children. So happy to meet you all. In today's class, we are going to revise my home and rooms in my house. Already we have completed learning my home and rooms in my house. In today's class, we are going to revise it. And this is my home, my sweet home, my sweet home. Say along with me, my sweet home. Yes, why we call it a sweet home? There we live with our family with so much happiness, and that is the best place in the world. Yes. Now we are going to discuss the different rooms in our house. Our house has different rooms. Yes. And now we are going to discuss about it. Yes. This is the drawing room. This is the drawing room, and we also call it as living room. We also call it as living room. Drawing room is the place where we sit and relax. நம்ம மார்னிங் எழுந்ததுமே லிவிங் ரூம்ல உட்கார்ந்து தான் காஃபி டீ எல்லாமே ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸோட சேர்ந்து குடிப்போம் இல்லையா? எஸ். We will sit on the sofa and we will drink the coffee, tea, etc. Okay? And yes. Now, what other things can we see in this drawing room? Yes, firstly we can see the window. Yes. If we stand near the window, we can enjoy the nature by seeing outside. எஸ், வெளியே மழை பெய்யும் போது கூட நம்ம எல்லாரும் விண்டோ பக்கத்தில் நின்றுட்டு வெளியே எப்படி மழை பெய்யுதுன்னு சொல்லி ஜாலியாக என்ஜாய் பண்ணி பார்ப்போம்ல. எஸ் எஸ், இஃப் வி ஓப்பன் த விண்டோ we can feel the fresh air. Yes, we can feel the fresh air. And then we also have a curtains. Why we have a curtain? To cover the window, we have the curtains. And then we have a carpet on the floor. Can you see that? We have a carpet on the floor. And also we have a table. And also we have a table. நம்ம டேபிள் எதுக்கு லிவிங் ரூமில் வச்சுருக்கோம்? எஸ், நம்ம லிவிங் ரூமில் உட்காந்து தான் நீங்கள் டிவி பார்த்துட்டே ஸ்நாக்ஸ் சாப்பிடுவீங்க இல்லையா? எஸ், அந்த ஸ்நாக்ஸ் சாப்பிடும்போது பவுல் அண்ட் டீ குடிச்சிங்கன்னா டீ கப்ஸ் எல்லாமே நம்ம டேபிளில் வச்சு யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். எஸ், அண்ட் ஆல்சோ த டிவி ரிமோட் அண்ட் எவ்ரி திங் யூ கேன் கீப் இட் ஆன் த டேபிள். அண்ட் அதுக்காக தான் நம்ம லிவிங் ரூமில் டேபிள் வச்சுருக்கோம். எஸ். And then, can you see the sofa? Yes, there we will sit and relax ourselves. We also sit with our family and make some fun. If some guest comes to our home, we will ask them to sit on the sofa. And then we also have a television. The short form of television is TV. On sitting the sofa, we will watch the TV. The next room is bedroom. The next room is bedroom. நம்ம நல்லா விளையாடிட்டு ரொம்ப டயர்ட் ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் நைட்ல எங்க படுத்து தூங்குவோம்? எஸ், நம்ம பெட்ரூம்ல தூங்குவோம். Yes, we will sleep in the bedroom. Very good, children. Bedroomல நம்ம என்னெல்லாம் things வச்சிருப்போம்? Yes, we will have the comfortable bed. Bed ரொம்ப நமக்கு soft-ஆ comfortable-ஆ இருந்தாதான் நம்ம நல்லா தூங்க முடியும் இல்லையா? Yes. And also உங்களுக்கு நல்ல soft-ஆ ஒரு pillow இருந்தா இன்னும் நல்லா தூங்குவோம்ல? Yes, for that purpose we have the very soft pillow. ரொம்ப soft-ஆ pillow நம்ம bedroom-ல இருக்கும். And with the help of that we will sleep. In bedroom we have the beautiful bed to sleep comfortably. We have a beautiful bed. Yes. And also we have a pillow. So soft pillow to sleep well. We all have a pillow in the bedroom. Can you see the pillow? Yes. And next we have a fan. Can you see the fan? Yes. காத்து இல்லாம நம்மளால தூங்க முடியுமா? முடியாது இல்லையா? So we need a fan to sleep well. And when we feel so cool, we will take the blanket and we will cover to feel warm. To feel warm. நமக்கு ரொம்ப குளிர்னா நம்ம blanket எடுத்து போத்திப்போம் இல்லையா? For that purpose we have a blanket in the bedroom. Yes. And also we have a lamp. And also we have a lamp. Can you see the lamp? Yes. Very good, children. And the next one is bathroom. Can you see the picture? This is the bathroom. Let's see what are the things we have in the bathroom. Yes. We have a toilet. We have a toilet. Can you see that? Yes. After using the toilet, you all must wash your hands. You all must wash your hands. Yes. For that, next we have a wash basin. Can you see that? Next we have a wash basin. We use wash basin to wash our hands, wash our face and brush our teeth. And there also we have a soap. Can you see that? With the help of the soap, we all must wash our hands. Very good, children. And then we have a bathtub. Can you see that? We have a bathtub where we will take bath. We will take bath in the bathtub. And also we have a shower. Can you see that? We have a shower. Yes, நம்ம ஷவர்ல குளிச்சோம்னா நமக்கு ரொம்ப ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா ஃபீல் பண்ணுவோம். நமக்கு ரொம்ப clean-ஆ இருக்கும் இல்லையா? So we will take bath in the shower. Yes, all must take bath twice a day. Okay? I know everyone will enjoy taking shower. Yes. Yes. We all have a shower and bathtub. And these are the things we have in the bathroom. Very good, children. And the next one we have kitchen. We have kitchen. கிச்சன்ல தானே மம்மி நமக்கு ரொம்ப டெலிஷியஸான ஃபுட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணி கொடுப்பாங்க. ஆமா தானே? Yes. Shall we see what are the things we have in the kitchen? The very important thing we need in the kitchen is the stove. The stove to prepare the delicious food. And the stove is connected with the gas cylinder. Have you all seen in your kitchen? Yes. The gas cylinder will be red in color like this. Okay, yes, with the help of the staff, our mom will prepare delicious food for us and we will enjoy eating that. Yes, and next we have the grinder. Can you see this? Yes. And with the help of this grinder, my mom will make delicious chutneys and fresh juices. Yes, do you all like to drink fresh juice? Yes. Then we have a fridge. We have a fridge. Can you see the fridge? Yes. In the fridge, we can preserve the vegetables, fruits, milk, curd, etc. And also we can preserve the ice creams, chocolates and cold drinks. And next we have a dining room. Dining room is the place where we will sit with our family and have a meal. Yes. நம்ம டைனிங் ரூம்ல என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? மம்மி கிச்சன்ல ரொம்ப டெலிஷியஸான ஃபுட் ரெடி பண்றாங்கல்ல, அது எல்லாத்தையும் மம்மி நமக்கு டைனிங் ரூம்ல தானே சர்வ் பண்ணுவாங்க. எஸ், she will serve in the dining room. நம்ம டைனிங் டேபிள்ல நம்ம ஃபேமிலியோட, நம்ம ஃபேமிலியில யாரெல்லாம் இருப்பாங்க? மம்மி, டாடி, பிரதர், சிஸ்டர், கிராண்ட்மா, கிராண்ட்பா, நம்ம எல்லாரு கூடயும் ஜாலியாக உட்காந்து நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணி அந்த ஃபுட்டை சாப்பிடுவோம் இல்லையா? அந்த பிளேஸ் தான் டைனிங் ரூம். ஓகே, டைனிங் ரூம் இஸ் த பிளேஸ் வேர் we will sit and eat. Very good children, we have revised my home and rooms in my house. Now we are going to play a quiz game. Yes, I will show you the picture and you are going to tell me which room it belongs to. The first picture is sofa. Which room it belongs to? Yes, it belongs to living room. The next one is soap. Where we will keep the soap? Which room it belongs to? எந்த roomல நம்ம soap வைப்போம்? Very good children. It will be in the bathroom. It will be in the bathroom. Soap நம்ம bathroomல தான் வச்சிருப்போம். Correct? The next one is lamp. Where will we keep the night lamp? Yes, you are right. We will keep the lamp in the bedroom. We will keep the lamp in the bedroom. Very good children. Next one is blanket. Where will we have the blanket? Yes, you are right. We will have blanket in the bedroom. Very good children. Again, you have guessed the correct answer. The next one is fridge. Where will we have the fridge? We will have it in the kitchen. Very good children. The next one is television. Where will we have the television? Very good children. We will have the television in the drawing room. Very good children. You have found. Okay children, and now in Beetle Semester 1 book, page number 173, we have an activity and you all are going to try with the help of your parents. Yes, now Miss will tell you how to do that. In page number 173, we have this house picture. Okay, in the house you have to paste the coconut husk for the roof. ஓகே, அந்த நம்ம ஹவுஸ் பிக்சரில் இருக்க ரூஃப்க்கு coconut husk. Do you know what is coconut husk? This is coconut husk. You are going to paste it on the roof with the help of your parents. And for the house, you have to paste the green color papers. Okay, நம்ம green color papers சின்ன சின்னதா டேர் பண்ணி அத ஹவுஸ் மேல பேஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். Okay, and then for the door you have to paste the blue color papers. Okay, blue color papers சின்ன சின்னதா டேர் பண்ணி நம்ம டோர் மேல அதை பேஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, we have enough time. நமக்கு ரொம்ப நிறைய டைம் இருக்கு. So you do your activity and send the picture to the class teacher. Yes, keep practicing children. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.